Hi there, I'm Adam Shepanik. I'm here to tell you about, well, mouse clicking and taking drugs.
That's how you say it's going to come on. Didn't say. Oh, what's it? What?
Is it food?
No, it's... Ow. It's definitely not food. Hang on, ready?
The internet is drugs and it's killing your kids!
Burning your children from the inside out as their little minds melt with the power of the internet. It's a disease.
Don't put my password in.
Is it rude?
No.
Oh, fucking disgusting.
Here we go again.
Calm down, my daddy.
Who are you? No. And I tell you what, I was watching Star Wars Episode 3 the other day. You know that remake, not the remake, but the new one that they did, the prequel one that they did to the first three. But the first three was like 4 to 6. I never really understood that. But either way, the new ones that came out like early 2000, like or 2000, like
Just
1 to 2. Yeah. But you know Hayden Christensen plays Anakin Skywalker. Yeah, right. I thought it was really I lost my point.
I never seen that movie!
Hey, we're still filming.
Oh! The bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, the good evening.
You can say something at some point.
It's very good for your eyes. There are side effects. I don't know if you can hear us, but we need help. You need to get us out of here. It's crazy.
I look like someone.
They're losing their minds. I'm the only one left with my mind.
I challenge you to a duel, for I am Master Zorb.
Because I don't want to be fat.
Bee wop, the bow wow, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bee wop, the bow wow.
Dude, this thing isn't working. I'm telling you, right? I keep. No! No, look! Oh! Okay, I'm gonna put my camera here, cause my daddy normally comes in and beats me, and I'm just gonna. Oh my God, he's coming! No! Dad!
It's different this time, boy.
Daddy, no! What are you doing, Dad? No!
Yeah!
Daddy!
If you are offended by this sketch, please call the offended chat line on
0800 664 7 and an 8. There's an 8 on the end. Get us out of here! Someone get us out of here!
Joe?
Yeah?
Is this the
Yeah?
right? Is this
Huh?
the right one? Is this definitely no?
Man, you like my hat? On the next epic episode,
We get
bring
a hat
you the
involved.
hats. There's gonna be a hat in the next episode.
We get a hat involved.
Big hat. It's gonna be big hat.